Hello and a very warm welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. I'm your host Athar. Viewers, how are you by the way? The shop that we are going to explore today is Hitesh Traders brand sequence based out in Borivali West, Mumbai. Okay, so we have hosted lot many episodes of this particular outlet in the past with very good response. Now let me tell you about its speciality. Hitesh Traders are basically giant manufacturers of men's or you can say gents party wear kurtas, sherwanis, and jackets and modi jackets, etc. etc. So there is lot much to explore over here. So if you're a Mumbaikar, if you own a shop, retail shop, you can certainly buy for your shop from this outlet, and you will get decent. You'll get decent kurtas at decent price. Wholesale prices. Wholesale prices are not going to be revealed in this video purely due to business reasons. Okay, when I say wholesale buying, at least you have to buy three sizes out of 38 to 52 available. Okay, delivery is available across the globe, and if you are not able to visit the store, you can shop online from any corner of the world. Okay, and that's our main objective. Variety of styling, designs, colors are available. You will find silk kurtas, you will find chikankari work, cotton kurta sets, along with pajamas. The pricing will include the cost of pajama also. So we have with us Nishiji, who is the proprietor of this firm.
Thank you.
So how have you been, Nishiji?
It was so good.
Yeah.
And we are growing. See,
Yeah, I can see the tables. I mean, both the tables
actually,
are
it was a
occupied.
good response.
Yeah.
And all our customers are liking our kurta also.
Acha, they are liking your kurtas,
Yes,
na?
very much.
So I think you will get all the sizes, okay, starting from 38 until 52. But one major condition, as all of you know, there is always a condition in wholesale buying, okay? So you have to purchase at least three sizes,
Any three sizes?
any three sizes, starting from 38 to 52.
No, sizes starts from 34 to 44, and also
Okay.
we have plus size 46 to 52.
Okay, those are plus sizes,
Plus
46 to
sizes.
52, and the regular
Yes.
sizes are from 34
34
to
Yes.
44.
XS. Extra small to double XL.
Very good.
And
Sounds
plus
good.
size,
Sounds good.
46 to 50.
So without any further delay, we get started. I give control to
Sure.
Nishiji. So over to you, Nishiji. A brief introduction about your brand.
Hi, hello everyone. My brand name is Sequence, and we are into men's kurta manufacturers, and we supply to all our retail outlet.
Mm.
We have all the collection of men's ethnic wear, so that includes kurta as well as men's jacket suit.
Acha, jacket suits, na?
Yes.
Okay.
Also, few we have heavy range, premium collection. In
Premium
men's
collection
kurta.
for grooms, huh?
Yes.
For party wear.
So can we start with basic?
Yeah, we'll start with
Our
basics.
rate starts from 450 and ends up to 3,000 rupees.
3,000 rupees. All right.
In wholesale,
Okay.
WSP.
Okay.
So these are the basic ones,
Hmm.
basic kurtas. And
What is the length of it?
I will open this. This is 40 size. That is L.
L. All
And
right.
We have all type of collection in men's kurta. Like these are the sari matching ones.
Mm-hmm.
Like in this trend, there is so many trend like.
Yeah. So you know,
These days
viewers.
there are so many trends.
Yeah.
So like sari matching, dusty
Twinning,
shades,
twinning,
everything.
है ना?
Twinning,
You can do
everything,
twinning
yes,
with your wife,
yes.
spouse. Good.
Royal blue color.
Royal blue
In this
color.
all we have dual shades,
Hmm.
onion shade.
Onion shade.
All these are basic ones.
Hmm.
Then we will come to jacquard.
Jacquard, na?
Yes, Banarasi silk. You can see here. All colors of this design.
Mm-hmm. Wait.
Jacquard ones.
Jacquard ones, na?
Yeah.
What is the price of the Jacquard ones?
See, I cannot.
Reveal.
Yeah, I cannot reveal WSP. We can just show you MRP. MRP is just 1440 only.
Okay, so you can sell it this price.
Yeah.
So I think this is the minima you can sell according to your,
These are dark shades.
Yeah.
Then in this kurta we have a sequence also.
What is this? Chicken curry? Is it chicken curry?
No, it's not chicken curry. It's jacquard, and we have done sequence on it.
Sequence on it with this fancy buttons.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This is also jacquard, white and blue.
Mm-hmm.
Lucknowi designs.
Can you open one?
Sure. This is our super hit design. It's lucky.
Water sequence all over.
Yeah.
And all chicken
And
curry,
we
machine
give
chicken curry.
White color bottom with this kurta.
Acha. So you will give bottoms also, no, with
Yes.
kurta?
But the rates are included of bottom also.
Bottom also. Okay. Good. I like this one.
Yeah.
Can you open this?
Sure, I will.
This is so nice.
And all these are fast selling kurtas.
I know these are all fast moving items viewers. Water sequence के साथ है ये सब. And once again, these are all semi silk, na?
Yeah. Embroidery.
Mm-hmm.
And 3 colors we have in this design.
Mm-hmm.
This is jacquard. Also
Jacquard.
we have 3 colors in this design.
Mm-hmm.
Basic pastel shades.
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll come to jacket suit. These are jacket suits. I will open one piece.
Mm-hmm.
Moody jackets you can say.
Mm-hmm. Can you stand at a distance? Yeah. Yeah. Lower your hands. Yeah. So very nice. Modi style jackets, huh? So
2 colors in this.
2 colors.
White and blue.
Mm-hmm.
Then this premium collection of kurtas.
Mm-hmm.
All pastel shades.
Yeah, lavender, light mauve color. Beautiful, huh?
And this is jacket suit. 3 shades.
Can you open one jacket suit?
Sure. This is our premium collection.
Okay.
The MRP is just 3,390.
Yeah. So she is reading out the MRP, which means if retailers are selling at their shop, they can sell it at this price, whereas wholesale prices are going to be different altogether when you're approaching this brand, sequence brand, and manufacturer name is Hitesh
Hitesh
Traders.
Traders.
Okay. Can you open this yellow one?
This can be worn in haldi functions.
Haldi functions.
Yes.
Beautiful combination, Nishiji. Seriously, stunning yellow. Oh my god.
Then all this Lucknowies.
Lucknowis. Could you show from a distance?
Yeah, sure.
So these are Lucknowis. Open this color for me. This one.
Lavender. Actually, all these are.
These are
super
cottons or what?
designs. No,
Blended
rayon material.
rayon material.
Yeah.
But good rayon, huh?
Yes. And this comes with
A lining.
a lining.
Good.
Then this is cotton silk.
Cotton silk.
It looks like a silk, but it's a cotton.
Cotton.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then all these are cotton prints.
Cotton prints. Okay.
All
Okay.
little prints. Single designs. So like just minimum quantity is just 15 to 20 piece.
Mhm.
So if you want to buy for your store, you can come here or you can place an order online also.
Okay. Even this is one.
Yeah.
This is the one.
This is cotton.
Beautiful. So you'll get a wide range of men's kurtas at Hitesh Traders brand sequence. So they have one showroom also, sample room also. So if you're intending to visit Hitesh Traders, you may do so. And for Mumbaikars, it's very simple because you're aware of Borivali area locality. It's a very popular locality of Mumbai. So if you're a retailer, if you own a shop, and if you intend to buy these items, so you may visit. The visiting hours are from morning 11 until evening 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock.
7:30.
Okay. किसी दिन क्लोज होता है ऐसा कुछ है?
Sunday close होता है.
Sundays the shop remains closed. Okay. And outsiders out of Mumbai, if you're intending to visit this shop, you may also do the same. But
You can place your order online. Or
online
you can
also.
visit here whenever you are in Mumbai.
And if you're visiting Mumbai, na, seriously, you'll get to see more options because due to time constraint, it's not possible for us to cover entire range of
more
categories.
collections.
Yeah, they have more
All
collections.
these are my
Can
sample
we get
sets only.
can we get a glimpse?
Yeah, sure. All these are my
Yeah.
sample set only.
Can you keep pushing like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All these are
I mean,
samples.
this yellow, the blue one is stunning.
Yes.
Wow.
All these beautiful colors we have.
Beautiful colors.
This baby pink, off-white, black.
Yeah.
These are dual shade.
Dual shades. Wow, this is so beautiful. Can you pull out this?
Peacock blue color.
Peacock blue. Mind blowing. This is stunning. Seriously. Look at this. Yeah. And we have more over here in jacquard, in Banarsi jacquard.
These are jacket suits.
Jacket suits.
In jacquard only.
Mm-hmm.
This is long jacket.
Long jacket, na?
Yeah. I'll show one.
Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Long jackets.
Mm-hmm.
Then all these are kurtas. This
Kurtas,
is
ne?
jacket suit. We have more variety in men's kurta.
Mm-hmm.
But it would be better if you visit here.
If you visit, and even if you are buying online, so they have a dedicated staff. You can do a video call with them. They will walk you through many articles, huh?
This color is so trending this year.
Mm-hmm. I know this
There are
one.
so many designs.
Maroon
in
color,
this
light
color.
maroon, jacquard. I like the jacquard ones.
See
Wow,
violet
this is
colors.
so violet color.
There are
Wow.
so many options in this trending color.
Yeah. I'm in love with this color. Seriously, this is so nice. Even this one. Anyway, so I think there is no time limit to it actually. If you continue seeing the varieties and categories, so I think we will run short of time. But the quantity is so much, variety is so much at Hitesh Traders. Thank you so much, Nishiji. So, do you want to say anything, any special remark from your side or any
I
special
just
feed?
want to say that you just have to try just 15 to 20 pieces.
15 to 20 pieces.
I think you should come here, or if you are not able to, you can place your order online. But I have to say
Online.
that only because our kurta have very profitable margin.
Profitable margin. And so, what is general feedback of customers whoever have approached through Metro Heights?
Usually, we get repeated customers whenever they come first time. Always they are
Happy, na?
happy. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So I think that's all at Hitesh Traders viewers. With this sweet note, we wind up, and we will catch up with you very soon in a new episode altogether with some new collection. Till then, goodbye and happy shopping. Thank you so much.